finally, I have one last question. Um, which of the following? I'm not given the triangle here. I can't really see this actually. Whatever this GIF file is, I can't really click it. Weird. Okay, so I actually can't verify the solution because I don't know what this solution is. But let me try to actually, based off the solution, let me try to draw the triangle for you. I wish they included a diagram in the solution, but they didn't. So let me just try to figure it out. Which solution is true? So this is, so I'm going to find a true statement, and based off that, I'm going to see if I can derive the triangle for you here. So I have a right triangle for sure. This is cosecant. So cosecant right triangle C, so angle C would equal cosecant of, this is B here. Cosecant right triangle C equals right triangle C, right triangle equals 3 over 2. Okay. So if I'm saying that, let's assume that this here is C, this here is A, this here is B here. I think actually no, A is, B here is, yeah, B here is this guy here. B here is this guy and A is here. So I'm saying cosecant C equals 3 over 2, and they said it was a true statement. So based off this true statement, I'm going to see if I can redraw the triangle for you and explain this question here. So cosecant angle C equals 3 over 2 is the exact same thing as saying 1 over sine, right? Cosecant is a reciprocal trigonometric ratio over here, right? Cosecant angle C is simply just 1 over sine root C, right? So when we say that if it's the reciprocal of sine, and we know that sine here is opposite over hypotenuse, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. Don't know if my pen's not working. There we go. If sine, we know that is opposite over hypotenuse, then cosecant would be hypotenuse over opposite, right? This is simply just the reciprocal of this guy here. So if it's the hypotenuse over the opposite here, and we know that this statement here is true, so this is 3 over 2, right? So 3 would be our hypotenuse in this case, would be 3, and the opposite would be 2, right? Again, because this is angle C here. So this would give us a some sort of triangle here. And then what we can do is we can use Pythagorean theorem to figure out what this side here is, what the side length here is as well. I think that there might be other 2 triangles here. Triangle B is cosecant is 6 over 5. There might be actually 2 triangles here. Yeah, there might be 2 triangles here. I'm not sure what question they're asking here. But again, because I can't access this GIF file here, so I'm assuming that this is what they're asking. They're asking me here. And what we can do is we can again use Pythagorean theorem to figure out the side length here, and I'll do that quickly here. So I know that. Let me do some blue here. This is simply just c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared I know is 3 squared equals, again, I can assume this is 2 squared plus b squared here. I can move 2 squared to the other side. This is 9 minus 4 equals b squared. So b would have to equal 5 equals b squared here, which means b here equals root 5. So this side length would be root 5 for this triangle here. And I'm pretty sure that because this statement is also true, cosecant triangle B is 6 over 5, then I think this might be referring to a different triangle, because again, I don't have 6 or 5 in any of these side lengths here. So this here, again, I'm pretty sure that, again, I can't verify the solution per se to say that this solution here is correct, but I'm going to assume that this solution here is correct, and that these are my triangle lengths here. This was the given triangle for triangle C here. This would have been triangle C. Let me label that here. Triangle C here. So this here would have been the correct solution, or the correct triangle for basically this this Waterloo solution here. So this here is, again, question 11. Again, I still have about like 20 more minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see if I can figure out more. I didn't know I picked actually two repeat kind of questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into my list of questions here and pick out some more grade 10 questions for you as well. So let me do that really quick before I continue here. So I'm going to say cannot see triangle. Solution seems to be correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out, maybe I'll pick out about 2 more problems for us to do since we do have about 20 minutes here. So let me do that real quick. Let's see. Because I usually only pick about 11 questions per my stream. So because I didn't know, we doubled up today. So I'm going to pick maybe 2 more questions for us to do here. So I'm going to pick these 2 questions here, and I'm going to bring them up to you shortly. Just give me a second here. Sweet. Okay, this sounds good. I'm going to say finish here, and then I will start the stream.